In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for browser updates in Opera browser. Keeping your browser updated is essential for security and performance. Let's get started. First, open the Opera browser. You will see the familiar Opera interface with its vibrant colors and layout. This is where all your browsing activities take place. By starting here, you ensure that you are using the correct application to perform the update check. If you happen to have multiple web browsers installed, it can be easy to get confused, but don't worry. Opening the correct browser is the first step towards a smoother and safer browsing experience. Next, click the Opera logo, which is located in the top left corner of your browser window. This logo represents the main menu and provides access to various features and settings. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear, revealing options that enhance your browsing experience. This is an important step because the menu is where you will find the tools needed for checking updates. It makes navigating through the browser's features more intuitive and efficient. From there, hover over the Help option near the bottom of the list. As you move your cursor over this section, you will notice that it provides access to resources that can assist you with any issues you may encounter. This step is vital because it allows you to access the information necessary for maintaining your browser. Hovering ensures that you are ready to select the right option without accidentally clicking on something else. Now, click on About Opera. A new page will open, and it will display information about the version of Opera you are currently using. This section is particularly useful as it not only shows your current version but also informs you if any updates are available. By checking this, you can ensure that you are using the latest features and security enhancements. It's a simple step, but it plays a significant role in keeping your browser functioning smoothly. After that, wait for Opera to automatically check for and download any available updates. During this process, the browser will connect to the Opera servers to determine if there are newer versions available. This step is crucial because it allows you to benefit from the latest improvements, bug fixes, and security patches. You will see a progress indicator, which reassures you that the update process is underway. Patience is key here, as this ensures that your browser is fully equipped with the best performance. Finally, click Relaunch Now if prompted to complete the installation. This action will close and reopen the Opera browser, allowing the updates to take effect. It's a quick and straightforward step, but it's essential for ensuring that all new features and fixes are applied. Upon relaunching, you will notice that your browser is now up to date and ready for use. This final step confirms that you have successfully completed the update process, enhancing your browsing experience. By following these steps, you ensure that your Opera browser remains secure and efficient. Regular updates are a small effort that can save you from potential problems down the line. Thank you for watching and enjoy your improved browsing experience.